اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق.
Black magic, also known as dark magic or witchcraft, is the use of supernatural powers to manipulate or harm others. Today, we will explore the concept of black magic and its implications. Black magic encompasses rituals, spells, and incantations aimed at causing harm, misfortune, or control over someone's life. It is a form of occult practice found in various cultures worldwide. Black magic can cause a range of adverse effects, including physical and psychological harm, financial ruin, and the breakdown of relationships. It can lead to unexplained illnesses, accidents, or even death. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, addresses the concept of black magic. It acknowledges the existence of magic but condemns its use as it goes against the teachings of Allah. In Hadiths, the sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there are references to the harmful effects of black magic and the importance of seeking protection from it. The Quran offers powerful remedies to protect oneself from black magic and its harmful effects. Recitation of Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, for example, is believed to provide a shield against evil forces. One of the most potent defenses against black magic is turning to Allah, seeking His protection, and placing your trust in Him. Remember, Allah is the ultimate source of strength and safety. Islamic spiritual healing, known as ruqya, involves reciting specific verses from the Quran to seek healing from the effects of black magic. It's a spiritual process that can bring solace and relief. If you suspect you are a victim of black magic, it is advisable to consult with knowledgeable Islamic scholars who can guide you through the process of seeking protection and healing. Black magic is a dark and forbidden practice with harmful consequences. By understanding its nature and turning to the Quran and Islamic teachings for guidance and protection, we can shield ourselves from its malevolent effects and find solace in our faith. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on matters of faith and spirituality.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق.